want you around. Oh my good. Hey y'all.
Hello, Wellness Crusaders. It is day 165 of 365 days of tips, tricks, and techniques designed to help us create and/or maintain healthy habits. For day number 165, I have an unboxing. Here we go.
Microwave, because had a slight explosion, just a little bit. You can see that it has gotten quite destroyed. Yeah, but I found one online at APHIS or the military exchange store, and we about to make it do what it do. It still work. I'm gonna show you. So we're going out with the old, in with the new. Okay, we got the 6-in-1 multifunctional microwave. We have a healthy air fryer. So now hopefully I'll be able to operate this sucker and I can get another appliance off of my countertop because I already don't have a lot of space. Let's check this sucker out. So let's see. Ta-da! It's open. Oh, it's kind of cute. Remove protective film before use. Okay, so look at this. I'll say it says taste matters. Thanks to the 6-in-1 multifunction microwave oven. It will function as your microwave oven, air fryer, crispy griller, convection oven, dehydrator, yogurt maker, and even warmer compartment. Okay, perfect for cooking, reheating, broiling, and preparing all types of food the gourmet way. 6-in-1 Versa Microwave. Okay. All right. So I guess this is open. Back in the day, see, people would leave this on there. Back in the day, they leave that on there so people know you got something new. I don't know if people still do that, but that's unnecessary. I guess you know that you making it do what it do your way. Do you? Do you? You hear me? You hear me? You heard me? Can I get out? You heard me in the comments. Oh, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and like this video. Subscribe, please. And turn on the notification bell so you're notified each time I upload a new video. Maybe because this time we won't destroy it, but that microwave lasted us years, so I was pleased. Oh, look at that. That is nice. Nice. Then you have the grilling pan. Grilling rack. Nice size. There we go. Okay. Instructions. And has your turntable here. That's that. I'm going to wipe this down before we get started. Be right back. Okay, let's see how this fits in. There we go. This drops right in. Woo! And then it also has times for different things all over here based on its function. Oh, it has an automatic function for popcorn. Okay, let's see. Display A1. Okay, so let's see how it compares to the other one with the popcorn. Alright, do a quick popcorn test. Unplug. Okay, quick guide. Okay, so we're going to set the time. Oh, okay. So that's A1. I like that they have that right there. Okay, let's see. Do you flatten your popcorn before you put it in there? Let's start. Oh, okay, you gotta put the weight. Okay. 2.75. 2 something. Let's see. I'm excited. 48 seconds left and the pop is starting to dwindle down. I wonder if it's gonna burn. You may have to start listening for it. That skinny popcorn is good. It might just get every kernel, hopefully without burning. The whole bag isn't popped like the other microwave, but it's okay. We'll get used to it. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, so this is the new microwave. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.